Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper, and today we are going to announce the winner of the 100,000 subscriber giveaway, as well as a little update on what's happening here in the shop and what's to come. So, first off, thank you everybody for, getting me to the 100,000 subscribers. I never imagined this was even possible. It's just really cool that we got here, and we're just going to keep moving forward, keep creating content for you, and hopefully we can just keep growing the channel. So now the winner. We had everybody who wanted to enter commented, kind of trying to convince Randy to choose the winner. And Randy has selected his winner because it hit close to home, his comment, his little story here. And our winner of the Starrett 1202F 6-inch dial caliper that does fractional as well as inch, the 827A edge finder, the anchor lube, and a jar of honey from our own bees, along with a t-shirt that is being sent separately. The winner of all this stuff is Bernie Janssen, and his comment was, "Congrats for the award. Just starting putting together a small machine shop with a lathe and milling machine, finding out that tooling will also kill your bank account. My wife said one more tool away from the door." Right there. Well, my wife said one more tool away from the door. That was the sentence that got Randy, because he is in the same boat. Buying tools and building out his shop, and it's very expensive. So congratulations, Bernie, on winning. And a little friendly advice to anybody who's looking to start up a shop of their own. The machine is the cheapest part you will ever buy. You can spend $5 grand on a lathe, get a decent older lathe, and you're going to spend $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 just in tooling. Spend $3,000, $4,000 on a Bridgeport, and spend another $10,000, $20,000 on tooling. That's just how it is. The machine is the cheapest part you will ever buy of doing this stuff. So just remember that. And then don't forget all the support equipment that you have to go with the machine you just bought. So it's a very expensive thing to get into. So again, congratulations, Bernie. And now, there were a lot of other commenters that Randy wanted to pick just because of they were asking me to give the items here, the tools, to a local youth or young adult getting started in the trades, somebody getting started. They wanted to give them tools to them to help them grow their tool catalog and exceed in the industry. So what I have decided to do is, for all of you that commented that way, consider yourselves winners, because I am going to be buying a bunch of measuring tools and some end mills and stuff and donating them to the Spooner High School shop class. Josh Tischer, the shop teacher here, has done an amazing job of building up a good little machine shop for the kids. He's got 3 South Bend lathes. He's working on getting 3 Bridgeports in there. Just good equipment to start learning on. So he is going to be getting a nice big package of some inexpensive stuff, because we know it'll get trashed. Kids are tough on stuff, but it's a good learning material. So we'll get some 6-inch dial calipers, probably some micrometers, a bunch of end mills, things like that. And I'll be donating them to the Spooner High School shop class, so those guys can learn on some good tooling. So consider yourselves all winners for that comment. If you said to give the tooling to somebody that's starting out, that'll be a great thing. So now, a little update on what's happening and what's coming. I am going to take a short break from the videos. I do have a community tabs post started asking for questions. We're going to do a Q&A video coming up in a few weeks. So get over to the community tab on my main page here on YouTube and check that out. Post a question, and I will get to those questions in a video coming up. And we've also got a lot of work here I've been working on. Like I said, I'm very far behind, so I'm just going to take a short break from filming and just get the work done, get myself caught back up so I can get on the stuff that I want to film. The cylinder for my steam engine needs to be done. I need to make a new piston for that. new piston rod. There's a bunch of work on the steam engine itself. We've got dragline work to do. In fact, the shafts are cut and over there that Connor is going to be doing. And then a little update on Connor. He is not leaving in June now. October 4th, I think, is what he said is his ship out date for basic training. So we've got him for a while longer, and he's looking forward to us getting this crane done and up and running and digging, and so am I. So we're going to work on that in between all the paying jobs. Like I said, these fun jobs, the steam engine, the sawmill, the dragline rebuild, these are not paying jobs. These are fill-in stuff in between real jobs. So we'll get to that as much as we can. And with that, I hope you're all happy with the follow-up, the winners. Thank you again, everybody, for supporting me with this journey we're on with this channel. And until next time, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.